Hey guys, welcome to Commander Mutant. So today I'm going to play PUBG in the mini zone mode. Let's Hellcat. So guys, अब मैं कोचिंग की में उतर चुका हूँ। नाकाम कोशिश। चलो इसके अंदर घुसते हैं। ओ माय गॉश, उजी। देखो आप सोच रहे होंगे मैं तो क्यों खुश हुआ हूँ उजी को लिए। उजी एक बहुत ही ज्यादा अंडररेटेड अच्छी गन है, वो बहुत अंडररेटेड गन है वो। एसएमजीज में तो बेस्ट है। अब मैं उसी उजी छोड़ रहा हूँ क्योंकि आई लाइक एआर मोर देन एसएमजीज। सो अब ये मैं लूट लेता हूँ थोड़ा। एकेएम भी काफी ओवर पावर्ड है। एकेएम को छोड़ो तो आप सारी 7.62 देख लो, वो सब की जो डैमेज है वो बहुत ज्यादा है। और ये मैं आसपास देख रहा हूँ और मेरे को किसी एनिमी की तलाश है अभी तो फिलहाल। और ये मेरे को दिख गया, ये अभी अभी मेरे को पता है इसके साथ क्या हुआ है। ये इसकी लैंडिंग अच्छी नहीं हुई और ये व्हीकल लेके अभी अभी बस आया था और बेचारा मेरे हाथों में लग गया। सैड लाइफ। ये बच सकता था अगर ये मेरे हाथों ना लगता तो, और शायद ये मेरे को ही मार देता। अब मैं सोच रहा हूँ कि वो यूएमपी उठा लूँ, पर मैं उठा नहीं रहा। इस बेचारे के पास मेड्स थे बहुत सारे जो मैंने ले लिए और मेरे बहुत ज़्यादा काम आएंगे वो। अब मैं इस छत पे जाता हूँ और यहाँ से देखता हूँ। मेरे को लगा कि यहाँ पे कोई प्रोन हुआ वो बैठा, पर ऐसा कुछ नहीं था। I was just made a fool. I just made a fool of myself. अब मेरे को इधर फुटस्टेप्स की आवाज़ आ रही है। आपको आवाज़ नहीं आ रही क्योंकि वो स्क्रीन रिकॉर्डिंग के टाइम पे मेरे से रिकॉर्ड नहीं हो पाई, सॉरी। पर ये फुटस्टेप्स की आवाज़ आई थी इस टाइम। अब मेरे को शॉट लगा है और मेरे को बिल्कुल आइडिया नहीं है। शॉट मेरे आसपास से जा रहे हैं और मेरे को बिल्कुल आइडिया नहीं है कि शॉट कहाँ से आ रहे हैं। और मेरे को फुटस्टेप्स की आवाज़ इस घर से आ रही है। तो मैं थोड़ी हिम्मत करके अब मैं थोड़ा मतलब प्लान बना के इस घर में कूदूंगा। और वो देखो सामने बंदा है और ये एक गेम वर्सेस एक गेम और मैं जीत गया। नाइस। पर मेरे को स्नाइपर आज स्नाइपिंग करने का मन नहीं था। Ooh, I think I got a message from my friend. Maybe I will read it later. अब थोड़ा हील होने का टाइम। और मेरे को अभी भी फुटस्टेप्स की आवाज़ आ रही है पर मेरे को बिल्कुल आइडिया नहीं है। और मेरे को पता है 2 लोग हैं इधर। सो अब मैं देखो, ये पबजी किंग, आप इसको अगर नहीं जानते तो जान लीजिए। इसका भी यूट्यूब चैनल है नर्डी यूनिकॉर्न गेमिंग से। और ये मेरा क्लासमेट है। अब ये पोचिंकी को मैं लूटने की कोशिश कर रहा हूँ पूरा तरह। और ये देखिए मेरे को एक नूब मिला है और मेरे को बिल्कुल आइडिया नहीं था कि मैंने एक गेम ले रखी है, तभी मैं उसके शॉट नहीं लगा पाया। मेरे को लगा कि मैंने M16 ले रखी है। और ये देखिए नूब। चलो इसने मेरे को एक गेम की गोलियां तो दे दी। Now it's time to heal. अरे कर रहा हूँ, आप सोचो कि मैं हील नहीं कर रहा। देखो करना शुरू कर दिया ना। मेरे को गन्स को लोड रखना होता है ज़्यादा, वो भी ओपी वालों को। So let's begin the hunt for people. और मैं आपको प्रॉमिस करता हूँ कि इस गेम में 10 किल तो आएंगे कम से कम। ओ सीधा मेरे सामने खड़ा हो गया। देखा, मेरे को दिख गया वो पांडा। अब ये मेरे हाथों से बचेगा नहीं। ही इज माई प्रे और नाउ ही इज हंटेड। तो खत्म। अभी भी मेरे को फुटस्टेप्स सुनाई दे रहे हैं। I wish I hadn't damaged his Spartan's helmet. I needed it. I also need a vest, level 2 better vest, it's a little damaged. Mine is a little damaged. Oh, so I dropped the laser light because it uh, makes my enemy aware of my presence. लेजर लाइट की लाइट मेरे से पहले पहुंच जाती है। ऑफ कोर्स लाइट की स्पीड मुझसे ज़्यादा है और लेजर लाइट का मेरे को एडवांटेज पता है, पर उसका डिसएडवांटेज बहुत ज़्यादा है, तो मैं लेजर लाइट को यूज़ रिकमेंड नहीं करता। इस टाइम पे मैं सोच रहा था कि मैं यहाँ का किंग हूँ। सीरियसली, पुचिंकी का किंग। So I just went here for ammo, but I didn't find for any. Hey, do you remember when I get the level 3 bag? Please comment. So let's see what is here. और अगर आप मेरे को वो करना चाहते हैं, क्या बोलते हैं, फ्रेंड रिक्वेस्ट भेजना चाहते हैं, तो मैं आपको अपनी यूज़र नेम दे दूंगा इस लिंक डिस्क्रिप्शन में। ओ यस, डीपी। आई लव दिस गन। ये AKM से ज़्यादा भी ओपी है और इसका रिकॉइल सबसे कम है 7.62 पे। मैंने ये कब उठाया कि लेट्स बिगिन द हंट फॉर 10 kills। लेट्स सी। अब मैं सोच रहा हूँ कि पोचिंकी को छोड़ दूँ, तो मेरे को मतलब डर लग रहा है कि कहीं कोई इन झाड़ियों में लेटा ना हो। बच गए, कोई नहीं है। आपको पता है ये जो स्टॉल है ना, इसने एक बार मेरी पूरी आर्म के 2 शॉट बेकार करे थे। बताता हूँ कैसे। 3 लोग थे, मैंने आर्म के 2 शॉट मारे, 2 नॉकडाउन हो गए। तीनों स्टॉल के पीछे छुप गए, एक ने दोनों को रिवाइव कर दिया। अब मैंने एनिमीज अहेड से मार्क कर रखी व्हीकल कितने दूर है। अब मैं अपनी जीप पे बैठ के पोचिंकी को छोड़ दूंगा। आई नो दैट I need to cross that bridge because the last circle will be at the side of the military base. You can tell that by the size of the circle, If the like 3/4 part of the circle is in the military base land or island, whatever you call it, that means the circle will be at there only. I guess, and I know that many of you will know that if you play PUBG. And please clear me, what do you say, PUBG or PUBG? PUBG or PUBG? And please someone tell me, why does it happen in my device that every single time that I use a vehicle, my game starts to lag? Why the heck does it happen? They see lag. I told ya. That's why I don't like traveling through vehicles. That's the major point. Please comment, what should I do to stop that lag? So Oh, I'm so close to that base. Oh man, why did I open the map? Well, I just don't want to get out of the safe zone because the storm is near. Yes, I'm at the beach now. I can see the beach from right here, and I just wish that nobody is camping this bridge. The bus is near. The bus is near. Somebody's gonna be there. Is there someone? Is there someone? Oh no, there's no someone. Oh shh. Oh lag. Come on. Yes. I don't know what's with this lag. I'm really tired of it. Oh, I think someone is in those houses and that gas station. I scared. My instincts are saying this. I just need to confirm. Let's see if my instincts are right. So I think there is someone in that house. Oh yes, there it is. My instincts are right. A man that man doesn't die. So let's see. Lag. What's with it? I think he'll be waiting for me at the staircase. Oh no, he's not. Oh, he's not in that room. Let me see that if I have a frag. Oh no. So let's grenade bait him. All grenades have the same sound, so he will think, yes, he jumped. He jumped. I just hear him jumping. Is there a window right there? I don't know, really. Oh, yes, he jumped. Oh, someone killed him. That DB, you just saw that sign? That person killed him. See, that person, you saw the flash, right? That person, yes, that person killed him. That's the person, that's not him. Yes, DB versus DB. I win. I said DP versus DP, I win. So let's see. Let's see. Man, this gun have a really long reload time. Stop. Like, but it is an OP. So, you mean everything have its pros and cons. Okay. Let me get his meds. Yo, my instincts are saying someone else is right here. Oh, yes, here he is. See, my instincts are always right. Let's see what he does here. Oh, okay, 6x. Nice, bro. Man, he did have a frag. Why didn't I pick up? Oh, why didn't I? Why am I? Are you kidding me? What is going on? So let's see. I am so sure that I need to go. What the heck am I doing here? No, I'm not out of circle actually. Let's see what will happen. Okay, I know that place. It has a house in front of it. Yep. I can find campers there. Oh, is that a spawn car or not? I don't think so. Or could it be a spawn car? I think I saw someone. Yes, someone is there. I know it. Yep, someone is there. I really think that someone is. Yep, he is there. I think so. I think so. Oh no, that's not him. That's a rock. Let me confirm if that's a rock or that's a person. Oh, is he trying to fool me or something like that? If yes, then it's not gonna work. Please don't do it. Oh yes, of course that oh no, he wasn't fooling me. He is not even here. He's somewhere in that house. Where is he? He can't just vanish like in the thin air. Could he? Oh, there he is running away. A scary cat. He died. What was his name? Rani. Okay, Rani means queen, right? He has 8 eggs. Let's see what does else he have. So, oh my god, he have M24, but I'm not in the mood of sniping. So just leave it. Let's move ahead. Let's see what else do I have called in my destiny. I said 10 kills are for sure, so I'm just reached 8, 7 are alive. I'm gonna give you 2 kills, but I can't promise for the chicken dinner. It's so cringy. Oh man, I really want that chicken dinner, even if it is the mini zone. You know, like the feeling is like greatest. So, a quick story between, running for my life. So, one time I just had a mini 14 in the classic Erangel match. I was just like this time I was running for my life from the storm. The storm was just right behind me, and the moment I stepped into that what do you say zone, I just was attacked by a squad. I took a real fast cover by a rock, and then I wiped that squad up just by the mini 14. I can't believe myself. I wish I had recorded that. Well, it was really my greatest PUBG mobile moments. Oh, please ignore the background musics or whatever you wanna call it. Man, I really need a armor. Oh, I think I saw someone there. I saw someone there. Oh, there is. Is that gate open? Oh, is that gate open? I am not sure if it is open. Let me check. Oh, it isn't. It isn't. It is. Or it is. Man, I need that scope. Just leave it. Zone could be like behind me. Oh, let me check that house real quick. I think I saw someone. Is there someone there? No. That's what I thought. Lag. Oh, I think just saw a car. Yup. Somebody is there. Man, what did I do? Shit. Yup. He took the cover. Oh, I think he spotted me. I need to change my cover real fast. Change my position. Oh, that's just a bike. Man, I am really hungry for some kills. Let's see. What can I do? Hey, is that guy still there? Hello, friend. Are you there? Man, I can't see a thing with drone in these bushes. Man, sometimes I hate the level of realisticism in this game. I think I saw someone. Hey, there are car 98k shots. Just ignore that notification, please. Oh, the zone is right behind me. I need to move real quick. I just got 20. Oh, yes, he's the car 98k one who was killing. Shit, that bush. I'm gonna kill him. Oh man, I'm just guessing my shots. I need to do something real quick or he will spot me. And he can't finish me really quick. Let's kill him. Oh man, died. Yes. I got 9 kills, one more kill because I promised you 10 kills. I'll get one more kill. But I can't promise that chicken dinner because it's really. Oh man, the zone is right behind me. I need to keep my gun and move. Run. Let's see what will happen. Don't die, don't kill me. Oh man, that's a shot and that's a crate. What am I gonna do? Don't know. Please don't kill me. Okay, let's see what with the crate. Ah man, it just have an 8x scope. I don't need even that. Oh, what will I do with all this ammo? There's just 3 people alive. I mean 4 are alive, but one is me. Let's prone real quick. I got 40 seconds. Moving toward those houses. I know someone is there. You know when it's like I told you, someone is always covering in those houses. I am gonna kill him. Man, just die real soon, please. This video is on for a long time. Oh yes, here is. Why am I even shooting him with this? I need the DP on right now. And why am I not using the burst mode? Oh, I mean automatic mode. Man, why does the scope move when I move? Oh, I mean, why does the scope gets eradicated when I move? Man, it's so. Let's reload real quick and move. I wanna kill that guy because I promised you 10 kills. Oh man, why is that house in the last circle? And my dream is that last circle should be on the, you know what, in the what, highway, yes. What a fight would be, it would be. And it would be a real great battle if nobody jumps down the bridge into that water. That's just a guess shot. He knows my location. Kill him! Oh, he just got a headshot and he's not ready to die. Why? Man, die! Oh yes, sir. Now I've got the auto mode on. Hey man, show me yourself. Oh, the zone is coming. He's got the favor for the circle. Oh, I need to stop running. Oh man, there is someone else with an UMP. Let's just rush on him. Don't look. Yes, let's just rush on him. Yep, I saw him. Kill him! Yeah, I promised you 10 kills. I got there. Just one person left. Where will he be? You are the shadow. So, let's see. Let me reload real quick. Oh no, my gun will be peeking outside because of that. Really. Oh, yes, here he is. Oh man. Shit! Shit! This close. I was this close to winning. Why? Why didn't you kill him, DP?